Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ashi from grade 6 from Literazee. I'm here to tell you about Ulipsu Cloud Island 6 3D ships. Let us continue. I learned so many things in this island, like how to convert 2D shapes into 3D structures, and it helped me a lot. And we learned how to take a 3D shape using X, Y, and Z axis. And we learned about net, which helped me visualizing and making 3D shapes. We did a project that was fun and it helped me a lot with differentiating 2D and 3D shapes. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanishri. I am from grade grade of Literazee school. Today I'm going to speak about my scale known as mathematics, the arrangement in the exponential that is full of. In this diagram I learned how to prepare the exponential chart and the formula. In this project that helped me know how does the exponential be multiplied to each of the one. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Aditri, from grade 6A. And I want to present today Ulipsu Mathematics, which is all about angles. And I learned about the angles just which are acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflex, etc. And I discovered a lot about them. And they also explained us using many activities like a solar panel. And they even had many games where I discovered many things and made me fear regarding it. So, even it also explained us about the acute angle, which is greater than 0 degree but lesser than 90 degree, and obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180, and many more like this. They explain us. So, thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Pratika Lina. I'm a student of Mount by studying at grade 9. I want to talk about mathematics. In that, first item was related to coordinate geometry, navigating and mapping. In this, I learned about the Cartesian plane, quadrants, and also about axes and all. It helped me to understand the basic of math, and also it helped me in science also because it had a concept of discrete. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vishak Singh, grade 5D of Mount Literazee school. I am telling about Ulipsu of AI. I am telling about the ILM of fruit recognition. AI is when a computer recognizes and learns about different things. People need to give training to the AI. I'm going to tell you about machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is when you train the machine to learn about different things. As the name suggests, machine learning tells you about different things. And humans need to train it. I'm going to tell you about machine learning for kids.UK. This IP address is an app that allows students to learn about machine learning. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Divanshi of grade 6C from our Literazee school. Today I am speaking about Ulipsu scale maths, ILM, and things discovered. In this ILM, I learned about different types of angles, which helped me gain more knowledge. In the project, we had to design a telescope, which made me learn more about different types of angles and water angles. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to explain how I created my AI using machine learning for each. There are 3 processes for making AI. In the first process, I gave details about my AI. In the second process, I created label and we added related examples in the last process. I tested it, and there was an option make your AI in the scratch. I made it in scratch and I uploaded it to the Ulipsu. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kaushik. I'm studying in 6th. Today I'm speaking on the ILM Exponents Express. Exponents Express. This ILM is all about exponents. In this ILM I learned about what are the exponents, and an exponent is a number which is being multiplied to. For example, 2 is 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 3, which is equal to 8. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Susha and I'm from grade 5. Today, the topic is measurement. I understand that measurement is everything. And in the project, I did many things like I measured the babies and also then I was saying many times.